All right, Dr. Emer, we're live.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, and usually we're doing Filler Friday, but here we're doing Fill Up Your Hair with Exosomes because we want to get his hair to thicken and be more hardy with a combination of things that we do for scalp for hair restoration. We're today using the newest in the industry exosomal product, ANTEAGE MDX Exosomes, combined with PRP and stem cells. We also have our ANTEAGE poly growth factors in here, our ANTEAGE growth factors, which help stimulate more of that production of thicker, more voluminous hair that you want. Our patient actually has had hair transplant, and I think it's really important to note that when you have that done, you want to before and after do this treatment. If you're starting to notice any hair loss, fall in the shower, you wake up and there's hair on the bed, on the sheets of your bed, you need to start doing this treatment because this is going to help thicken the skin. Now what we do is we do multiple little injection points, and this allows us to get the stem cells, the exosomes, and the PRP into the scalp. In the old days, we used to do microneedling, or even people are doing microneedling radiofrequency now. Just hand it to me, I'll pull it off. And that was okay. It didn't show really much bigger results. What I find is just getting those depot injections into the scalp and getting it at the right time, earlier the better. We see amazing results for hair thickening and for hair, turn it this way, pull it like that. Yep, there you go. And we see increased time of growth. Less hair loss, especially in the areas that guys lose hair, like the front and the crown. And so you want to start this sooner than later. Now, if you do a transplant, this will make the transplant work better. It also will help stimulate the hair around. Look how thick and luscious the hair overall is doing just because he has the PRP and the exosomes in the scalp, in just the central scalp. You can do it anywhere and you still are going to get growth. What are they saying, Jordan? Anything there yet or no? What questions do you often hear online about
What's
hair?
our at-home protocol for this?
So we have a large at-home protocol, you guys, that includes using the ANTEAGE rolling ampules, our stamper from ANTEAGE that we partnered with them on, and we have an amazing Restore-C spray. Yeah, go ahead. Hold on. That people use that is made of, that has a fish enzyme in it, a salmon enzyme. You can get it at miragecosmetics.com. And it helps the hair exfoliate so that the scalp stays really clean and allows the hair follicles to grow easily.
How frequently do you recommend this?
So the first 6 months that you're doing this, you guys, you should do monthly treatments or at least every 6 weeks. Then you go quarterly after that. If you don't see growth, you're one of those few people where you're just not a responder and you may just need transplant, unfortunately. The key is to slow it down. If you're noticing loss and you do this and then the loss becomes less, it's actually working. It's not that it's not working. You might have already been on a path towards loss, but this allows the loss to be slowed down.
You're asking, do the injections hurt? What does our patient say?
Actually, I've done this before. It used to hurt significantly worse, and today it doesn't hurt at all.
I want you to bend your chin down just a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit more in the back, so we just get it, because this is an area guys tend to lose. So we want to make sure he doesn't lose too much. The other thing I want to tell you guys is, oh, he's got some blood. Get the blood. There you go. Up here. That's normal, because in the temple there's some veins. Just get the blood.
The reality of the treatments?
Yep, that's what I always say. Okay, go ahead, lay back. So you guys, there's some blood from the treatments. If you have blonde hair, just know that you're gonna go home with some red hair afterwards. If you're blonde or
we won't
bleached,
charge you for the hair
we
service.
won't charge you for the cleaning service, exactly. So it's one of those things, especially in the temple area right over here, there's some veins.
There's a lot of liquid going in his head.
Yes, this is an extra large amount of the PRP, and we're also doing a substantial amount of this stem cell and the exosomes.
Someone said they were here earlier today with their friend for a consultation
Oh.
with Dr. Emer. Everyone was so friendly.
Oh, thank you. Write us a review online, please. We would appreciate it. And you can mention the people's names so they get very happy.
My name's Jose, just in
This
case
is
you
Jose.
didn't meet.
Jose is holding up the ANTEAGE Exosome box so you guys could see, because this again is one of the newest treatments now. This is not only
We were
used
the
for
first
hair,
to have them.
and we were the first to have them, and we launched them in the Middle East before they even came out in the United States. He's all done. We should do a light
As
amount
you
of
said,
massaging.
get your hair products too.
Yep, and you can get the hair products at miragecosmetics.com. The key is that you guys can use these exosomes for other things. You can do it for facial rejuvenation, making the skin glow, heal faster. We use it with my Emer Skin Emergency Kit. Afterwards, you can also do this with for healing after surgery, like surgical scars, microneedling treatments. There's a lot you can do with these exosomes, and we don't even know the power of them yet. Not yet. Not yet. Soon, you guys, soon. New York and Miami as of right now. But that's it. If you guys take a look, there's no more bleeding. It's just acutely when we do the needle injections. The fluid's going to be in there.
It all stopped.
Massage it a little bit, and that's it. And he'll do another treatment in a month or two, and we'll continue
Where are
to
we
build
located?
that luscious hair. We're in New York, LA, and Miami, you guys. Go to jasonmrmd.com. All of them are on there. Any questions you have, DM us.
You might talk to him.
This is the typical anti-aging treatment for the hair, but you can do the same treatment for the penis area too, for rejuvenation. Women do it, men do it. There's a lot you can do with these exosomes. So contact us. But this is Fill Up That Hair Friday. We need that full head full of hair. Right, guys? Bye.
Good. Surprisingly, did not hurt as